Are you looking for the best air filter for your 6.7 Cummins? If so, you're in the right place. In this article, we'll take a look at 10 of the best drop-in air filters for this engine. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect air filter for 6.7 Cummins for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started, starting at number 1 on our list. We have the S&B Filters 75 to 5092D Cold Air Intake Filter. The S&B Filters 75 to 5092D Cold Air Intake Filter is a great product that provides the best of both worlds. On one end, it uses a dry filter gauze to trap dust and dirt particles. This mechanism makes sure that any debris entering the inlet with the incoming air won't be able to make its way to the engine. On the other end, this model's premium silicone construction enables it to allow 49.77% more air to the engine. That allows the engine to boost an efficiency rating of 99.50%. It also enhances your vehicle's combustion efficiency and results in an increase in its uphill performance. S&B devoted quite many man-hours to the construction of this model. That is precisely the reason why it offers a direct fit to your 6.7 Cummins engine. You won't have to undertake any enhanced turning or recalibrate your stock for its fitment. On top of everything else, this cold air intake filter has a custom enclosure that keeps unwanted engine heat out. It also has a mass airflow sensor that helps keep the check engine light off and is equipped with a secondary outlet that eliminates any restrictions in the route of the incoming air. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the FRAM ECOGARD air filter. Everything about this air filter points to a unit that is exceptionally durable. It relies on a heavyweight screen, which not only keeps dirt and dust particles at bay, but also ensures greater filter integrity. Similar is the case with its pleat-lock glue bead. Users can count on the glue bead to provide consistent airflow, minimize the restrictions in the passageway of the air, and a better filter performance throughout the life of this model. It is also one of the main reasons why the ECOGARD boasts a 99% efficiency. You'll be equally pleased to note the operating life of this model. Most filters you see on the market give way after 2,000 to 5,000 miles on the road. Not this one. Periodic maintenance and cleaning schedule will keep this filter going strong for up to 12,000 miles. To further sweeten the deal, FRAM has kept this filter's installation as easy as follows. All you have to do to install it under the hood is to wear protective gear, loosen its wing nut to remove the filter cover, place it in the position of your previous air filter and fasten the wing nut after replacing the cover. At number 3 on our list, we have the Mopar 53034051AB air filter. Most air filters you see in this review are inexpensive. The Mopar 53034051AB air filter is an exception. You can gauge it from the fact that this single air filter costs more than the previous 2 models put together. But it justifies its astronomical asking price with worth-having features. Start with its warranty period. Prior experience might have told you that air filter manufacturers generally don't provide any guarantee on their products. Mopar, however, raises the bar by warrantying its air filter for 2 years or unlimited miles during this period. Then comes its ability to replace your stock parts. It is a genuine replacement part for your Dodge, Jeep, and Chrysler. The size and dimensions of this air filter are all according to the requirements of these 3 vehicles. That means you won't have to make any modifications to your engine to install it. All you have to do to take advantage of the features mentioned above is to clean and maintain this vehicle on time. Simply taking it out of its casing and blowing away the accumulated dirt will keep it in working condition for years to come. At number 4 on our list, we have the S&B Filters 75 to 5092 Cold Air Intake Filter. Here is an air filter that doesn't stop at preventing the ingress of dirt particles. It is available in the form of a kit whose straightforward design increases the airflow to your engine. Your engine will receive 51.68% more air after the installation of this filter as compared to what it currently gets from the stock filter. Hence the reason why it empowers your engine to boast an efficiency rating of 99.5%. The testing of this intake filter against internationally accepted ISO 5011 standard serves as proof that this model would outlast its competitors. You won't have to buy its replacement anytime soon. It is made of premium silicone and has just the right amount of oil that helps the built-in air filter trap incoming dirt and dust particles. The 90 grams of oil that are visible on the filter element won't need any replacement for up to 100,000 miles. That's at least a year worth of hassle-free filtration. Similar to the S&B dry air filter we discussed above, this one too has a mass airflow sensor to keep the check engine light off. The similarities don't stop there. This filter too has a secondary air outlet that further enhances the surface area for the incoming air to flow seamlessly to the engine. At number 5 on our list, we have the K&N Engine Air Filter. When was the last time you came across an air filter that was warranted for 1,000,000 miles? This warranty period is so huge that it will protect the filter for the life of your vehicle. But don't get too excited just yet, as the best and worst of this air filter are still to come. Start with the best. It is equipped with state-of-the-art filtration media that beats ordinary air filters by providing up to 50% more airflow. The filter media does that by preventing any clogging that could reduce its airflow and, by extension, the performance of your engine. Its ease of installation was another feature of this model that impressed us. K&N delivers it to your doorstep pre-oiled, so you just have to take out your existing air filter and drop this one into the factory air box. That is why we call it one of the easiest upgrades for your vehicle. To further sweeten the deal, K&N has made this filter washable. You can simply rinse away any embedded impurities and reinstall it. Also on offer is a low-maintenance design that will get 50,000 miles under its belt before demanding cleaning. At number 6 on our list, we have the Wix Heavy-Duty Air Filter. One of the defining features of this heavy-duty air filter is its full metal base plate. It features a double seal to provide superior strength. Also, there is a silicone anti-drain back valve that remains flexible in extreme weather conditions and improves oil flow. Equally useful is this model up-front bypass valve. It gets one up over top-mounted valves by keeping the oil from washing past dirty media. The filter uses a glass-enhanced media for greater efficiency and captures dirt particles ranging between 10 and 12 microns in size. Then comes the linear path through the air filter that ensures low restriction to airflow. Wix has used a specially formulated adhesive to make the pocket pleat for its filter media and has also equipped this air filter with a soft-sealing urethane gasket. On top of everything else, this radial air filter is protected from the inside by a mesh screen. The screen ensures element strength and will protect the filter media in case of any backfire. All in all, this model has all the hallmarks of a heavy-duty air filter. At number 7 on our list, we have the ECOGARD XA5378 HD Premium Engine Air Filter. What do you expect from an air filter that is the cheapest on this review? Some of you might think that it would last less long than its competitors. Others may raise doubts about its ability to keep dirt and dust particles from entering the engine. The list of doubts goes on. The ECOGARD air filter quashes all these doubts about its performance one by one. Start with the question marks about its shelf life. This model is one of the few on the market that lasts up to 12,000 miles before needing replacement. You can, therefore, rely on it to last a whole year. Next comes the doubts you may have in your mind about its filtration efficiency. The multi-layer filter media of this model ensures that none of the standard-size dust particles can get through it. Hence the reason why it has a positive impact on your engine performance. Lastly, you may also have your fears about the installation mechanism of this model. And we don't blame you for harboring it, given the most cheap filters aren't easy to install. The ECOGARD is different as it doesn't require any tools and only requires a few minutes out of your time for its installation. At number 8 on our list, we have the Mopar OEM Air Filter. Mopar has always taken pride in its ability to produce genuine OEM products. That same line of thinking goes behind this air filter as well, which won't require any adjustments to fit seamlessly in your engine. This isn't where the good news ends. It has a pleated paper filter element that is sturdier than the ones you see in your average engine air oil filter. The support provided to the element by the radial walls of the filter from the outside enables it to keep environmental contaminants from getting inside the engine. Mopar provides an added facility to win over the potential users of this air filter. It gives you the option of sending your vehicle's VIN, vehicle identification number, to make sure that the filter will fit inside your vehicle. That way you won't have any doubts as to whether this model will work or not. At number 9 on our list, we have the Airaid 851-357 Direct Replacement Premium Dry Air Filter. Models like the Premium Dry Air Filter are the reason why Airaid is one of the most trustworthy vehicle parts manufacturers on the market. This air filter is equipped with a durable epoxy-coated wire mesh that keeps environmental irritants at bay while having no impact on airflow. The wire mesh provides multiple layers of filtration to keep out particles of various sizes out. Its hand-poured urethane body keeps this filter guarded in the face of high temperatures, whereas the fact that it is washable and reusable means you can keep on using the same filter for long. All the features that we have mentioned above provide three specific benefits. They increase the performance of the engine, drive up its mileage and enhance its uphill power. That's precisely the reason why, despite its relatively high asking price, this model is extremely popular on the market. And finally at number 10 on our list, we have the Mann Filter C35154-1 air filter. Air filters are an important part of any car, and the right air filter can make a big difference in both performance and efficiency. The Optimum air filter is designed for maximum dirt separation efficiency and features specially embossed paper for good pleat stability. This helps to filter out harmful particles such as dust, pollen, sand, soot or even drops of water from the intake air and can also reduce intake noise. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.